Hi guys, Wilf here. We're actually out and about in the van today. We've made our way down to sunny Dorsetshire. So I'll just show you around the place. There she is, that. It's her birthday today. Say hello. Having a nice glass of wine to celebrate her 60th.
It's not 60. And I'm Billy No Mates with no one to drink with, but hey ho.
Yeah, well. So here we are. This is, or that is, Portland. Had a nice drive down, a bit windy. I don't know what it's going to be like on your camera. Yeah. Cruise ship over there. Weymouth over there, right over there with the kite surfers. So this is Seagull Beach, Portland end of it. It's actually it's like 35 degrees down here. It's bloody boiling, but with the nice breeze, it's beautiful. Look at this. We're actually trying out our chairs, which we bought last year. First time in anger.
First time out. Woohoo!
Yeah. So this is our first day. We're going to do a couple of days. Don't tell anybody, mind. But we're going to.
I have to show them my
We're going to do the south coast.
my new coffee mug.
A new coffee mug.
Yeah, my birthday present.
Oh,
It
right.
needs to be seen. Ta-da!
Yeah.
How good is that?
Very good. And I had one for Daddy's Day.
Yeah.
And
So there'll be no mixing those two up.
they really you speak English. Speak English. They work
You want a bit of the
really
wine?
well. No, that's it. I need a drink. See. They speak funny down here, mind, don't they, in the south? Yeah, so, yeah. Those mugs are really good. Kept the old cup of tea warm all the way down. So this is it. We're going to chill out here for a while, and we'll see where we go later. Moved up onto the beach now. There's Mrs. B, looking a bit suntanned. There's Portland Bill. And there's the massive Seagull Beach. Really windy up here today, so I'm sorry if it's going to be a bit blowy on the old camera there, but never seen this before. One. Two, three, four cruise ships. 4 cruise ships in the bay. Obviously parked up with the old no sailing for you because it's the old coronavirus. There's Weymouth over there. And there's the van tucked away in the car park. Whoa. So this is it. And we'll be moving on to Dorset tomorrow. Well, what can we say?
That didn't work, did it?
No. Our little trip to Dorset, Swanage, and she was going to do some nudie.
No, I was not doing any nudie stuff.
Studland Bay.
No, I was not.
We had to cancel that. We
There was just far too many people.
Yeah,
really busy.
we left Seagull, found a nice little park up by Dorchester. And then we went to Dorset, and it was Ramsville. I mean, there was thousands down there.
There's just no way you could keep
It was
distance
just
at all.
Didn't feel safe, so we binned that ideal and headed back up into Wiltshire, and we went to Laycock Abbey and did a few other things.
That was really nice though. I really enjoyed that.
It was all right, wasn't it? Yeah. Even thinking about joining the National Trust now to get free car parks. Things aren't quite that desperate yet.
No, not yet.
Anyway, so we're going to do a part 2 of Dorsetshire.
We'll try again.
And we'll try again. So watch your space.
Here we go. We're off for a few days
turn the radio down, please.
Off the Dorsetshire. Let's go.
We're going to have to stop on the way though to get some supplies. Busy lane today. Well, to be fair, it's always busy when the sun's shining.
Bloody holiday makers, that's what it is. Be banned. Look at this, look.
Hey.
Scary corner. You just stop there, my darling.
Oh, see, there's a motorhome ahead. So there's when you don't live around here, it is oh, it's caravan. It's
a wobble box should be banned off the road.
Hey, you can't say that.
Okay.
Over because we've had a little bit of an issue. Unfortunately, driving along the motorway, a seagull decided to fly into us and hit the windscreen. I'm grateful for the fact that it was a full-grown adult one, so I'm glad that he didn't actually come through the windscreen. But it just appears like he's taken the wiper blade off as well. Is that all the damages?
You got a scratch on the roof.
Yeah.
I thought he was coming through.
Well, so did I for a minute. Poor seagull.
Never mind.
Right, so what's
Plenty more of the buggers.
What's the course of action now? Got to find somewhere to get a replacement.
Alfords or something to try and get a replacement.
Okay. Managed to get one then.
Well, I don't look anything like the one that's on there at the moment.
Well, as long as it fits.
Oh.
I
leave the white thing like that's on there, isn't it? not very tight.
I don't think that's how it's supposed to be.
Bloody Seagull cost me 18 quid, not happy. At least he didn't smash the windscreen.
Yeah.
Never mind, there we go.
Oh well.
Right.
You live and learn.
Off we go.
that is up in front there. Mr. B doing something he hasn't done for a long time. Bit of metal detecting. There's the sea. Quite a lot of people here. Sorry about the wind noise. Not much I can do about that, I'm afraid. Finally got over the shock of the Seagull incident. Let's have a look and see if he's managed to find anything.
Okay.
I said, well, just come in to have a look and see if you managed to find anything.
Well, if you could spend bottle tops, I'd be a millionaire.
Unfortunately, no we can.
Oh, I found a silver bracelet
Oh, did you?
and a fishing weight.
Oh, right.
And about 15 bottle tops.
Yeah.
Killed an hour.
Yeah. Right, so yes, this is where we are. So a bit windy, a bit overcast today. Not the brilliant sunshine we would have hoped for, but still beautiful. You don't have everything. Don't know that I'd have the patience to be doing that. But it does find lots of nice stuff.
4 miles to go to the end.
Best of luck on that one.
Well, we stayed here the night. West Bexington Car Park. Free overnight parking. And a little spot reserved for motorhomes. So, no dramas. Car park's pretty full. Loads of people out fishing all night. And it looks like it's going to be a bit of a better day today. So, we don't know where we're going now. We'll just hit the road and see where life takes us. Oh my God, it's a lesser spotted Mrs. B climbing the mountain. Stopped off at West Bay. A bit blowy up here, but not allowed to park in the car park apparently. Oh, there's one over there, isn't it? I don't know. Just have a look, see. Hell. Well, this is the park up for tonight. A place called White Cross down in Devon. Got a nice bit of a view here, look.
That's a cracking.
And it's free gratis. 24 hours parking for nothing. And all legal, not a problem. What do you think, Mrs. B?
Yeah, beautiful.
Do you want it?
Yeah, slightly on the slope, but
Yeah, we can't have everything. No, just looking out to sea and having a look, see for the sea.
Everybody where we are, right?
Yeah, we're in Exmouth Harbour. Just come down to have a little look, see.
A little look, seeing this at the sea.
The sea, yeah, the sea. We're at the sea. So that's Dawlish Warren over there, and then Dawlish. Bit raining this morning, but it's turned out to be very nice.
I'm going to stop here tonight.
I'm going to stop in the along the beach front there, and it costs £11 for 24 hours to park the van, which isn't too bad, I don't suppose.
It'd be better if it was free.
Better with it, it's free. But how much have we paid out this week in camping fees?
12, 15, £14.20.
So it's cost us
4 days.
£14.20 to park up for 4 days, and that's mostly official campsites. And we parked to that lovely viewpoint up in the what was the name of the establishment that runs it?
It was the Forestry Commission.
Forestry
White
Commission,
Cross,
White Cross Car Park. But unfortunately, I think our van has got a bicycle sat-nav built into it, because what was the roads like coming out of there, dear?
About wide enough for a bicycle or a skateboard.
Yeah, both wing mirrors rubbing the hedges for about 3 or 4 miles.
So it was a few miles.
With no passing places, so it was interesting to say the least. But we made it. So this is our, probably we'll do one more little chat later, and then we'll be back going home tomorrow, so we'll catch up with you shortly. Well, this is where we were parked up by the lifeboat station just there. Nice little beach. The weather don't know what it wants to do at the minute. It's sunny 1 minute and then the next. Yeah, we're parked just over there. £11 a night, 24 hours, so that's not too bad. That's the most we've paid since we've been out. So we're going to sign off now and say our goodbyes. And we're off to sunny Somerset next week.
Yeah, a garden party.
We're going to our a friend's wedding reception garden party.
Ew, get us.
Well, what it is, it's just a load of old squatters getting pissed, but we don't say that.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next one.
Adios.
Bye.
We'll catch you later. Ta-da. Bye.